somewhere in Cape Town, outer city limits, but I guess we're gonna try to take a kayak off a cliff. I thought we were just going to a waterfall, but Jordan just informed me that we're actually jumping. Are you ready to do this, J.O.?
Bro, I was born ready, bro. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Yeah, buddy. He's got his helmet on, he doesn't care. Alright, so due to the water restrictions out here, questionable whether or not we're actually jumping, but he's fully prepared with his helmet ready to go, so we'll see what happens.
Yo, shot through. I mean, still, well, if you want me to grab that.
Got it. It's recording.
Whoa, and have Camp Food's vlog.
Oh.
He made it. He made it.
Good job, dude. Watch out.
Does she taste like me? Does her skin feel like me?
Alright, we got the first guy going here. Show us how to stand, bro. Yo, he's stuck. There he goes. Yo! Yo!
See, bro, now how are we gonna land?
Time to hoist. Pumping. Yeah.
Everyone has to do it. Everyone has to do it, bro. And it's so fun.
Oh, up top, brother. Tom, are you ready for this, bro? Alright, looks like it's Camp Food's turn.
I hope you can't breathe. I hope you can't sleep. You're gonna regret what you did last night.
He just panicked. I started to panic once I flipped over and I started screaming, basically. So how do you feel?
I don't even know how I feel.
Miserable boy, have your fun.
So I think we've come to the conclusion that climbing up the mountain is about 10 times as scary as jumping off the cliff, as we just saw. Show's over, folks.
Hope you can't breathe, I hope you can't sleep. Can't think about loving without me. I hope you can't breathe, I hope you can't sleep. You're gonna regret what you did last night.
What you do your hand, bro? Oh, that's a fucking icy burn right there, dog.
Used to be behind there.
Alright, Tom's making a makeshift rope
Didn't learn his lesson
for Jordan on the board. Norva's gonna be filming. I'm gonna be droning. It's gonna be lekker.
Jordan. Okay, so I must drive slower than normal too. Just if you drive fast, I can't swerve. I can't wake up. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because you'll die. So we drive slow.
Because you'll die.
Okay, so Norma, you must. You're gonna die.
It's your typical day out here in Cape Town. We're on the roof. Jordan is getting ready to get towed. Let's go. Whoa, I got my GoPro and my phone in my hand. He's just going for it. Now that's multitasking right there.